Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone that watching my video. My name is Muhammad Kashful Azim bin Zainon, and today I'm going to present about my final project, which is a case study on commercial area in Kamunting. As for introduction, this project are required to build a real GIS database from commercial area in Kamunting and conduct the relevant geospatial analysis in map info environments such as thematic mapping and query analysis. This project appraises on the ability in applying GIS technologies for the town and regional planning purposes. For our minimum size of the case study commercial areas is need to be 10,000 meters squared. The outcome should be student being able to build a real GIS database using map info. You're also able to come up with relevant geospatial analysis. And lastly, need to understand the GIS technologies by applying the map info software. Next, we move on to designing of ER diagram. There are 3 stages on designing an ER diagram, which are conceptual model, logical model, and physical model. What is conceptual model is? It is a core of spatial data model design, which is used to define some rules for representing attributes of spatial model. A logical model is describing the data in as much detail as possible. For physical model, it represents how the model will be built in the database. It shows all table structures, including attribute name, attribute data type, attribute constraint, primary key, and relationships between tables. So I have found 3 entities that are from the study area, which are commercial, road, and boundary. So this is my conceptual model, which has 3 entities that I had mentioned earlier. This is my logical model. The commercial entity, it had 6 attributes, which are lot size, first floor shop name, first floor activity, second floor shop name, and second floor activity. For the boundary entity, it contains 3 attributes, which are location, area, and state. For the road also, it has 3 types of attributes, which are condition, type of road, and name of road. So next is physical model. This is my physical model, which is more detailed than the first one and the second one earlier. So it did mention about the lot size, first floor shop name, first floor activity, second floor shop name, and second floor activity specifically. For example, the lot size is 132 square meter, and the first floor shop name is 828 Minimart. The first floor activity is merchandise. Second one is Twill Textile Syndrome Berhead, and it is also merchandise. Next is developing a GIS database. So here is my site plan. The study area is located at Kamunting, Larut Matang and Selama District of Perak State with an area of 3.642 hectare. The administration is Majlis Pembandaran Taiping. We move on to the stages of developing GIS database. Now, we move on to the stages of developing GIS database. First, we need to create a base map. So in map info, click on map, click open, click hybrid, and choose the location. Second, click on map options. In distance unit should be changed into meters, and area unit also should be changed into square meters. Click on spatial, dimension line, click yes, save in final project. need to choose projection, which is longitude and latitude WGS 84. Click on nodes, snap to nodes, measure the study area so that it should be exceed then 100 meter times 100 meter. Save the file name as you wish. For me, I save it as Cashflow Final Project Base Map and save as workspace. Next is inserting attributes from ER diagram. Click on Table, New Table, and then Create. Fill up the new table structure with all the attributes based on ER diagram, which I showed earlier. Click Create, and then save as commercial or road or boundary. There should be three types of data, which is commercial, road, and boundary. And then you can start digitizing. Click on Explorer, choose any layer, and start to digitize by clicking the edit icon, and it should be turned on. Click on Map, click Insert, and click Polygon. Click on Style, Region Style, choose the suitable field and border, and then you can start digitizing. Take note, use polygon for commercial layer, polyline for boundary layer, and line for road layer, and also need to always click on Save. Next is for Geospatial Analysis. So what is Geospatial Analysis does? Geospatial Analysis use the data from all kinds of technology like GPS, location sensors, social media, mobile devices, satellite imagery to build data visualization for understanding phenomena and finding trends in complex relationships between people and places. It defined by three categories, which is what it does, where does it locate, and why does it happen. For what it does, so it in study area to identify the road condition and types commercial activities, individual thematic mapping is the most suitable thematic map. This is because it is much easier to identify and analyze how many types of activity in study area. So these are the steps to create a thematic map. First, click on Map, add theme, then click Individual, choose Region in Value Default, and then click Next. After that, choose Table, choose a suitable field, click Next, and again Next. So here are the results. The first one, based on the individual thematic mapping, there are two types of road condition, which are good and medium. The good represent the turquoise and the medium represent yellow color. For second result, there are three types of business, which are service, merchandise, and manufacture. It is identified that there are 34 service business, 21 merchandise business, and 2 manufacture business. And for the last result, there are 9 different sizes of the commercial lot, but most of it are standard lot, which is 132 meters squared with amount of 65 units. So where does it locate? The study area is located at Jalan Kamunting, Medan Saujana, postcode G4600 Kamunting, Negeri Perak, with the area of 3.643 hectare. It is surrounded with residential area, which made the study area as the center of commercial area. The main commercial in the study area is the Kamunting hypermarket. the main road make it easier for people to visit the study area. Besides that, there are also many commercial areas that were found around the study area. As you can see, the yellow color represents for residential. This is why I told that the study area is surrounded by the residential area and also is full with commercial area around it. And lastly, why this it happened? So issues that occur in the study area is there are so many abandoned shop houses, especially the double-story shop houses. Besides that, the building also looks old and shabby. To make this map, first need to click on map, click simple select, click assist and fill in the suitable expression. Then click OK and again OK. For the fill the suitable expression, you can see the example. For example, the question asks how many abandoned commercial areas are there on first floor shop houses. So the expression needs to be activity underscore first floor equals to NA. So it will give us an answer which is 17 units. So same goes the others. As for conclusion, the study area did have many potential to be developed. All the abandoned commercial shop houses need to be improved and should be developed so that the commercial can become more livable. A sustainable commercial area can be achieved if all the required needs are fulfilled. In the aspect of GIS, there are many ways to analyze and identify using software MapInfo. The Geospatial Analysis, it helps to identify the potential and constraint on site. It makes the analysis much more easier and better. That's all from me. Thank you for watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.